What's up, everyone? Have you ever found yourself in a panic after accidentally deleting an important message on your iPhone? You're not alone. In today's video, we'll explore several ways to recover those deleted text messages on your iPhone, both with and without backups. Let's get started. Method 1. Recently deleted folder. If you are using iPhone 14 and later models, or your iPhone has been upgraded to iOS 16 or higher, when you accidentally delete a conversation or attachment from the Messages app, it will be moved to a folder called Recently Deleted. If your text messages were deleted in the last 30 days, you can restore them from this recently deleted folder. And this is the most direct and simple way to recover your deleted text messages on iPhone. So, it is recommended that you guys check whether Recently Deleted retains your deleted text messages before using other methods. But if your iPhone is running below iOS 16, you are not suitable for this method. Now, open the Messages app on your iPhone. If you are not in the conversation list screen, like this, return to the conversation list first. Tap Edit in the upper left corner. With Filter Unknown Sender enabled, you will see the Filters option here. Tap on it. Then select Show Recently Deleted from the message threads. Alright, you can see all the recently deleted text messages and their retention period. Select the text messages or conversations you want to recover, and then tap Recover. Tap Recover Messages again to restore the deleted text messages to the Messages app. That's it. But deleted messages can only be kept for a maximum of 30 days, after which they are permanently deleted. If your text messages can't be found in the recently deleted folder, or they have been deleted permanently, you may need to restore your deleted conversations on iPhone with a backup archive, like iTunes or iCloud backup. But more often than not, you didn't have a backup including your deleted text messages in advance. Method 2. iPhone Data Recovery. At this time, a reliable data recovery software is your best helper, such as iPhone Data Recovery, which can help you search your iPhone memory deeply to find deleted text messages. As long as the space of your deleted messages has not been occupied by new data, you have a chance to recover them through this software. Not only can it restore your deleted or lost text messages and iMessages without backup, it is also able to analyze your iTunes backup, allowing you to recover messages to iPhone alone without affecting other data. If you don't have a backup available, don't hesitate to get iPhone Data Recovery software now by clicking the download link below the video. When your download is finished, connect your iPhone to your computer using a data cable. Open the software and select Recover from iOS Device tab to start scanning your iPhone memory. The software will scan all the data files in your device, both existing and deleted, and categorize them. Alright, locate the Messages and Message Attachments option in the left sidebar to preview your text messages and their attachments, including text, photos, videos, audios and more. Check the text messages you want to recover. You can select Show Deleted Only in the drop-down menu on the top left corner to find the lost text messages. After selecting, click the Recover button and then choose a destination to save your recovered iPhone text messages. Remember that the faster you use iPhone Data Recovery, the higher the chances of getting back your deleted text messages. Method 3. iCloud Backup. Okay, let's look at the next method. If you have wisely backed up your iPhone before, getting back deleted messages, even permanently deleted text messages or other lost data will be a simple matter. When you enable the iCloud Backup feature, iCloud will automatically back up your data when your iPhone is connected to the Wi-Fi and charging. Or if you have a habit of backing up your iPhone to keep it up to date, you can use iCloud Backup to get back your deleted text messages. Make sure your backup was created before the text messages were deleted, because using this method will erase your iPhone, and if you choose the wrong backup, not only did you not recover the messages you wanted, but the new data added to your iPhone will be gone as well. Of course, you can back up your existing data first, just in case. Well, before you begin, check that your backup is correct. Open Settings. Tap on your name at the top. Then go to iCloud. Once you're there, tap on iCloud Backup to check the date of your latest backup. If it's before the message went missing, you're in luck. Just go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone and choose Erase all content and setting to factory reset your iPhone. Once your iPhone restarts, you'll go through the setup process. When you get to the Transfer your apps and data screen, select from iCloud Backup. Just sign in with your Apple ID, and you'll see a list of backups to choose from. Pick the right one, and voila! Your deleted text messages should be back in action. Method 4. iTunes Backup. If you created the backup in iTunes or Finder instead of iCloud, you can also use the local computer backup to restore your deleted text messages to iPhone. Here we take iTunes as an example. Use a data cable to plug your iPhone into the computer. Open iTunes. Click the device icon to enter the summary window. Here you'll see the option to restore backup. Click that, and you'll be presented with a list of your backups. Choose the backup including your deleted messages and hit restore. Your iPhone will restart, and when it comes back up, all the data from that backup will be back on your phone. Just remember, like with the iCloud method, this will erase any new data on your device since that backup, so be sure you're prepared for that. And there you have it. You're now armed with several methods to recover deleted text messages on iPhone. Whether you check the recently deleted folder, restore from iCloud or iTunes, or use a third-party tool, you've got options. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have more questions.